guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul video, and it's a very special haul because this is what I got from Nepal. I love shopping in Nepal. You can find so many good bargains. All the things are so cute. You just want to pick everything for yourself and your loved ones. So I would like to share what I got from Nepal, and I have been vlogging daily for you guys, and if you guys enjoyed my daily vlogs, then please give me a thumbs up, and thanks to Shush for reminding me to film this haul. And yes, let's go ahead and film this haul. By the way, I bought few other stuffs from Nepal, but I don't know where it is now, so I will definitely make a second haul video on my vlog. So let's go ahead and see what I got from Nepal. I got this pink backpack, which is really cute and it's great for traveling. As you guys can see, it has a front pocket and a main compartment over here. It has a zipper compartment which can hold a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, it's a big backpack, and there is also a zipper compartment in the back of this backpack, which I really like. It has side pockets as well. And when my husband saw this bag, he said, "Oh, it's LV," and I don't know if it's LV or not, but it kind of looks like LV. So that's what he said to me, and I really like the detailing. As you guys can see, it's in baby pink color. Pom-pom didn't come with the bag, but yeah, I got this one from H&M, I believe. It's cute. So that's my first purchase. And look at these pretty bangles. I also picked up these bangles from Nepal. It's so glittery and I just cannot wait to wear these. Look at these. It has 2 big bangles and 4 little bangles, and you wear it like this. Can add your desired color bangles in between these, and then it will look so pretty, guys. I just cannot wait. Let me show you, but it's really hard to put it on, so I will do that later on my vlogs. But look at this. How cute is this? I just can't wait, guys. And I also got few mufflers from Nepal, and this is the first one which I got in Kathmandu. As you guys can see, the detailing, the print is kind of like a LV design, but it's really cute. It also has some tassels, and it's in gray and black color. You can wear it like this or like this. I really like this pattern, the gray and black one. And this one is this light cotton material scarf, and it has elephant prints. Oh, it's upside down. It has elephant prints, and it's in green color, I believe, bluish greenish color, and I really like the design. As you guys can see, it's so pretty. I just fell in love with this one. And it also has these tassels, which is really cute. I'm so into tassels, as you guys can see. This is the scarf. It looks like this, very light, and I love it. As you guys can see, I also got this little pouch, which is very cute, and I saw a lot of ladies wearing these kinds of little pouch in the parties with sari, or you know, your cultural dress. It's in red and black color with gold detailing. It's so cute. Look at this, guys, and it was really cheap as well. It's so cute. Look at that. I also got these. It's from Miniso. I just love these kinds of eyebrow blades. It's so easy to shave your eyebrows with this blade, and I just love it. I couldn't find it anywhere in the UK apart from the online store, but I was so happy when I saw this, and I picked up 3 for myself. So picked up these earrings for myself. I have other designs as well, but I don't know where it is now. Maybe it's in my brother's luggage, but yeah, this is the one. It's in blue color with tassel, and it has a big blue diamond in the middle and lots of little diamonds around it. It is so cute, guys, and it goes perfectly with my blue dress. I love it. Look at that. It's so cute. It was only 200 rupees. I'm wearing Chanel earrings at the moment, so I would like to show what I got from Nepal. This is really precious. A costume Chanel earrings. It is so cute. I will add the pictures for you guys, but look at this. Isn't it cute? I just love Chanel, especially the logo. It's exactly what I wanted and I love it. It's my favorite earrings at the moment. I also got a power bank from Nepal, and this is 10,000 power, you know, and I paid only 1600 rupees for this, and this is lifesaver, guys. You guys know I love using my phone most of the time, so when I'm traveling it's perfect for me. You can charge your iPhone 2 or 3 times with this power bank, and it is really handy, guys. So look at this, guys, what I got from Mini. So this is a thread box, and it has so many colors of threads, which I really like. It's really handy, and it's kind of like a little suitcase box, and it's perfect for my house. So finally, the big reveal, saris. When I go to Nepal, I have to get sari, you know. I love sari, and this color is so pretty. It's kind of like a reddish pinkish color, and the detailing, guys, oh, it's so pretty. I just cannot wait to wear this sari. It has flower detailings and gold detailings. Look at that. It's so cute, and it looks like this. The pallu looks like this, you know. This is the pallu. Isn't it cute? I love it. And I also picked up another sari for myself, because you guys know I love saris. So I got this one, which is Banarasi sari, and it is in pink and green color. Isn't it pretty? I love it. Look at that. It's so pretty. It has gold detailings, and it is so beautiful. So that's everything, guys. I have more stuffs which I got from Nepal, but it's all over the place, so I will show that on my vlogs for you guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and please make sure to give me a thumbs up, like and share this video if you enjoyed watching. And that's about it. Bye. Sorry guys, I forgot to add this on my vlog video, but yeah, I'm gonna show it anyways. I also got this LB purse from Nepal. It's so cute. Look at that detailing, guys. The gold chain, brown leather with LB print. It's so good. I love it. And I also got this strawberry clay mask. It's really good. I just love this mask. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Bye again.